Good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Yesterday I taught you definition of voice, kinds of voice and rules of voice. Today I will tell you how to change the voice. It means active voice change into passive voice. Assertive sentences. It may be affirmative or negative. फर्स्ट टेंस इज प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. जब हम इस टेंस के वाक्यों को पैसिव में बदलेंगे तो उसके अंदर हम इज, एम, आर प्लस वर्ब की फॉर्म का प्रयोग करते हैं. और इज के साथ हम क्या यूज करेंगे? ही, सी, इट एंड एनी सिंगुलर नेम. और एम के साथ आई एंड आर के साथ होता है वी, यू, दे एंड प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट्स. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज Sita sings a song. In this sentence, song is object and Sita is subject. According to rule, object becomes subject and subject becomes object. So in passive voice, a song becomes subject. तो a song sings फर्स्ट फॉर्म. हमें पता कि प्रेजेंट इनडेफिनिट टेंस में हम फर्स्ट फॉर्म का प्रयोग करते हैं. तो जब हम वो एक पैसिव वॉइस बनाएंगे तो उसके अंदर हम फर्स्ट फॉर्म वाले टेंस के अंदर हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज, एम, आर में से एक का प्रयोग करते हैं. तो ए सॉन्ग इज सिंगुलर, सो विल यू यूज विद इट इज. ए सॉन्ग इज सिंग, सेंग, संग, संग बाई सीता. नेक्स्ट, आई सी अ पिक्चर. ए पिक्चर object and I is subject. A picture becomes subject and I becomes object. A picture helping verb is see, third form seen by me. I change into me. Renu does not eat apples. Apples plural, so we will use with it are not, am, not, is. Apples are not, negative sentence है, not eat, ate, eaten, eaten by Renu. Is that clear? Next point. सेकेंड है प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. जब हम इस टेंस के वाक्यों को पैसिव में बदलेंगे तो हम इज, एम, आर प्लस बीइंग प्लस वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म का प्रयोग करते हैं. Sentences: He is writing a letter. A letter in the sentence is object. It becomes subject, and he is subject. It becomes object. A letter is writing. It means we will use after is being. Right, third form written by him. He, according to rule, subject, and when we will become it object, change into him. Next, Mohan is teaching me. Me is object, and when we becomes it subject, so it change into I. I am being teach, third form taught by Mohan. Next, she is not telling a story. Object a story is not being tell, third form told by her. She change into her. Next, present perfect tense. In this sentence we will use has, have plus been plus verb third. Has will use with he, she, it and singular subjects, and have I, we, you, they and plural subjects. Sentences: You have cheated me. Me is object, it becomes subject and change into I. I What will you use with I have? I have. And according to rule, been. Cheated, third form, by. You, change into you. Next, we have not learnt our lesson. Our lesson becomes subject. Is singular subject, so we will use has. Has not been learnt, third form, learnt. By, we change into us, by us. Next, Rahul has solved the sum. The sum has been solved by Rahul. Next, present perfect continuous tense. The sentences of present perfect continuous tense cannot be changed into passive voice. Next, past indefinite tense. In the sentence, we will find second form or did plus verb first. When we will change into passive voice, we will use was or were. Was will use with he, she, it, I and singular subjects, and were we, you, they and plural subjects. First example, Mohan helped me. In this sentence, me is object and Mohan is subject. In passive voice, me becomes subject and Mohan becomes object, and me change into I. I helped, verb second. According to rule, we will use was or were. I was helped by Mohan. Next, they did not say prayers. Prayers is object becomes subject. Prayers plural, so we will use with it were, not was. Prayers were not say, third form, said by. They change into them. Prayers were not said by them. Next tense, past continuous tense. In this sentence, in passive voice, we will use was, were plus being plus verb third. Rule. Examples, the children were making a noise. A noise is object. In passive voice becomes subject. A noise is singular, so we will use with it was. A noise was. According to rule, being we will use. A noise was being. Make, third form, made by the children. Next, he was not watering the plants. The plants, in passive voice, the plants plural, so we will use were. The plants were not. According to rule, we will use being. Water first form, third form is watered by him. He changed into him. Sham was advising me. Me change into I. I was being advised, third form, advised by Sham. Next, past perfect tense. We will use all singular or plural subjects had. It means I, we, you, they, he, she, it, etc. First example, she had lost her bag. Her bag is object, it becomes subject. It means her bag had. According to rule, we will use been. Her bag had been. Lost is also third form, so we will use here lost by her. She changed into her. Rohan had never seen a lion. A lion had never. We will use here been, and third form is seen by Rohan. Next is Satish had killed the snake. The snake is object. According to rule, it becomes subject. The snake had been killed is third form, killed by Satish. Next tense, past perfect continuous tense. The sentences of past perfect continuous tense cannot be changed into passive voice. Have you understood it very well? Thank you, students.